strengthening for attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. This is a neuropsychiatric disorder characterized by persistent difficulties with attention. Hyperactivity and impulsivity are out of proportion to the individual's level of development. ADHD is a chronic disorder that typically begins in childhood and may continue into adulthood. Listen to this strengthening daily until your body gets accustomed to the new behavior and responses. Let's erase the misinformation, perception, and interpretation of attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. We erase what comes from culture, religion, education, experts, ancestors, collective, family, religion, and yourself. We isolate environmental, neuronal, genetic, emotional, and other factors. We erase the weaknesses of each of them and the combination of them to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. We level them so that they are centered, balanced, and stable. We are going to erase the physical, mental, spiritual, psychological, and psychic influence on the person who suffers from it, their family, and the people with whom they live daily. We erase the intensification, exaggeration, and generalization about behavior. We erase the energy of resistance and rejection toward their way of being, thinking, acting, and experiencing life. We will increase their physical potential for acceptance, compassion, and patience. We increase their strength, endurance, speed, agility, coordination, and flexibility. We are going to erase direct, indirect, and partially indirect karmas by rejecting people because of their way of being, by judging, criticizing, singling out, excluding, and harassing all those people who think, feel, and interpret life differently. Strong and neutral to pay a lot, little, or no attention. Strong and neutral so behavior changes or doesn't, improves or doesn't, worsens or doesn't. Strong against and for all options, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We increase physical intelligence for optimal regulation of hormones and neurotransmitters. We strengthen the biochemistry and nutrients that interfere with behavior and cognitive abilities. Strong to feel, perceive, and intuit efficient strategies to increase the ability to concentrate, memorize, and regulate reactions. We strengthen the central nervous system, spinal cord, sacrum, coccyx, and tailbone. We connect the lower brain with the upper brain and the upper brain with the lower brain. We do it from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back and forth, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We eliminate the cumulative effect of feeling disadvantaged compared to others. We remove anything that prevents you from paying attention. Strength to boost your ability to pay attention, focus, and concentrate. We erase the cumulative effect of your weakening impulses. We erase conscious, unconscious, and subconscious programming inflicted by yourself and others. We counteract the cumulative effect of hyperactivity. We erase negative experiences and hurt feelings. We have the power to engage you, either through entertainment or boredom, 100% with endless potential, all of the time with infinite time. We are going to enhance your physical intelligence to detect the surplus of multiple personalities within you. Let's fortify this number within you and arrange it so they auto-order from weakest to strongest, and in this order, the excess of these multiple personalities is removed. and we send this surplus to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black and wormholes in the universe and other unknown places. We erase memories of mistreatment, medications and misdiagnoses, just as we erase memories of medical malpractice made, received, seen, heard and ordered. We're going to separate the weaknesses of the frontal lobe, occipital lobe, temporal lobes, and parietal lobes. We wipe out each of these weaknesses and reduce them to less than 0, 100% of the time with infinite time. We level all these components that are centered, balanced, and stable, strengthen them, and enhance their physical potential, strength, endurance, speed, agility, coordination, and flexibility. Strong muscle activity, speech, intelligence, reasoning, behavior, memory, personality, and thought processes. Strong perception, vision, hearing, taste, touch, smell, language, and behavior. We separate emotions, sensations, and reactions into all their possible combinations and eliminate the weaknesses of each, including their combinations, to absolute 0, 100% of the time with infinite time. We balance them to be centered, balanced, and stable. We erase the cumulative effect of these emotions, sensations, and reactions that have degraded your attention and behavior. We're going to strengthen favorable, constructive, and functional emotions, sensations, and reactions. We're going to eliminate traumatic memories of wars, invasions, and natural disasters that contribute to your symptoms. These memories, whether they are yours or not, from this life or others. We dispel the misinformation, perception, and interpretation that this disorder is hereditary, that it's a punishment, a curse, and a limitation. Let's separate the weaknesses of all neurotransmitters and combine them to 0 minus infinity for 100% of the time with infinite time. We level them so they are centered, balanced, and stable. We strengthen them and increase dopamine and norepinephrine to optimal levels. We eliminate traces of tobacco, alcohol, and certain pollutants, as well as toxins, medications, viruses, bacteria, fungi, parasites, and their waste, plus aged, half-living, half-dead cells with their cumulative effect. We send them to the lymphatic system and strengthen this system channels, ducts, fluids, centers, and lymph nodes. We eliminate childhood trauma and brain injuries with all their cumulative effects on this and other lives, yours and not yours. We erase the cumulative effect of problems during pregnancy and childbirth. We erase the cumulative effect of oxygen deprivation and low birth weight. We eliminate the cumulative effect of guilt for not being able to self-control, self-regulate, and for not being able to perform at desired levels, for not meeting other people's expectations. We erase the cumulative effect of chronic stress, exposure to violence, lack of structure, family support, and constant rejection. We strengthen the central nervous system to improve attention, self-control, and organization. Strong to train attention, social skills, and impulse management. Strong to start, continue, and achieve the desired result. We eliminate frustration, irritability, hyperactivity, impulsivity, and all their cumulative effect. Strong to regulate your emotions, your impulses, and tolerate frustration. Strong for achievement, task completion. Strong to follow instructions and strong to increase efficiency. We eliminate the cumulative effect of being subjected to constant comparisons, accusations, and rejections in all areas where you have operated and operate. We eliminate the feeling of feeling inadequate, indifferent, inefficient, insufficient, and undeserving. We eliminate anxiety's cumulative effect. We eliminate triggers and activators of memories that generate anxiety in new situations, under pressure, and amid challenges. We eliminate the fear of making mistakes, the fear of punishment, the fear of rejection, the fear of judgment, and the fear of failure. We eliminate demotivation, apathy, and resistance to daily responsibilities and tasks. We eliminate the feeling of being overwhelmed, burdened, and stressed by the lack of immediate reward. Strong emphasis on persistence, perseverance, and attention training for self-regulation of behavior. Strong enough to be the same, not the same, different, not different, change, not change, perception, non-perception. We strengthen the internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and vertices of each of these geometries to 100% infinite co-potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We eliminate anything that prevents, limits, delays, hinders, and blocks changes. We eliminate contrary perception, resistance, and fear of improving. We eliminate weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit. Do you notice any difference in yourself?